Farmer, giving you an update on what's been going on. I haven't posted a video in probably a week or so now. Well, I've been working on this. I'm missing a little bit of something. Yeah, you can see in the bed of my truck. Look how greasy that is. It's got at least an inch coating of grease, and then there's rust underneath. It's the axle shot, so pinion bearing went out. There's the pinion right there. So I replaced the whole axle just because that the whole thing is shot. So what I'm working on in here, there's the new axle. Put Caro Seal on that, 2 coats of that, and then I painted it with Rust-Oleum. All these little parts over here, they're getting coated in Caro Seal. All this right here, this is coated in Caro Seal, ready for paint. But I have to give a shout out to everyone that came over yesterday, helped me pull that out, because it happened quick, probably within a couple hours, and bam, it was out. And we got the frame all cleaned up and stuff. While that, when we got that out, I shout out to Hunter, shout out to James, Jason, and Alan. They all came over, pitched in, helped me get this axle out. We kind of divided and conquered. Me and Hunter undid a lot of bolts and get that axle out, and James was helping clean things up. And then once we got that axle out, Hunter switched over to painting everything inside, all the springs, all the little tiny components inside. And Jason and Alan were working on the interior of my truck. Thank you, Jason. This is the first time my truck's actually been cleaned at all, put in this recycling bin, but I gotta go through that. I'll show you what they worked on for me. Ta-da! Look at that. Jason and Alan installed that for me yesterday. I've got a dual 600 amp watt and 2 300 watt kicker subs. I got a little bit of cleanup to do. I'm going to divide the box in two because it's not fitting behind the center seat. It's already, it was once 2 boxes in the first place that are connected together. So I'm just going to make it 2 boxes that can go behind the captain's chairs. But I got a little cleanup to do because the wiring here, I'll cut that shorter so I don't have big loops of it. Even though that input is right next to the power, I'm not hearing any distortion. That thing bumps. I really appreciate all the help you guys have done for me yesterday. I got a lot of work left ahead of me, but that was a great head start yesterday. Both outside frames are done, wired, brushed, and chipped with an air hammer. This down here I haven't painted yet because I want to go over that with a wire brush again. And then the leaf spring mounts, I'm going to do that with the air hammer and wire brush. The inside, I'm working on the inside right now. I'm underneath the truck. There's the air hammer. I'm underneath the truck getting that. Well, the axle's out of the way. We did the dry shaft. That's Caro sealed and painted. That's all done. I'm gonna need new brake pads and rotors. These rotors are pretty bad, but I'm gonna stick them on there for now. They do the job somewhat, so I can't really complain. There's my calipers. While I'm at it, I'm also adding another set of leaf springs. So I'm gonna get new U-bolts. I got a new spring center bolt. I could have reused them, but I added an extra leaf, so there's a new spring center bolt. Where'd it go? Right there. And there's one for the other side. And then I got these 2 leaf springs are from the other leaf spring set I got from local salvage yard. So I'm gonna have 5 on each side, unlike the standard 4 on each side on these Chevy 2500s. This side of the frame rail is done. I'm gonna see if I can get the leaf shackles a little bit better. I'm gonna try pressure washing under here once this is all put together. I got this spring mount a little bit better than the other side. Got to get new shocks, pads, rotors. I got new tires coming in probably tomorrow. Today's Thursday, the 22nd, so looking at tomorrow or maybe Saturday, getting those in. Just cleaned it up with a wire brush on a grinder. We had 3 of them going yesterday, wire brush and everything. Hunter was inside painting, and I really appreciate all the help I get from all my friends. So when you need something, they're there for you. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. And thank you for all your help, guys. I really appreciate it. I've told you guys in person, and I'm telling you here, because it means a lot to me. I really appreciate all the help you've done. This thing's heavy, so just having an extra set of hands just to throw it in the back of the truck, the old one, throw it in the back of the truck, that helps tremendously. So I gotta call them up, see if they can come over and help me stick that under there when I'm ready. But if you like this video and interested in more, please click that subscribe button and then hit the bell so you're notified when I post some more videos. Other than that, like and comment. Thanks for watching.